looking for an entry-level work-from-home job that requires zero experience and is in the healthcare field? This video is for you. Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work-from-home job lead. The company Healthmark Group is hiring a medical records processing specialist. Best of all, they require zero experience. If you're interested, the links to apply are in the YouTube description box below. Healthmark as a group is expanding rapidly. This position is 100% remote work from home. It is an entry-level job. They're looking for someone to process medical records requests. So you'll have to work in a high volume and fast-paced environment. You'll have to be okay with that. But they're also looking for someone to assist with needed overflow processing due to high volume issues and coverage issues. You'll have to abide by the HIPAA guidelines to ensure that you are keeping the confidentiality of PHI, which is private health information. You'll maintain a consistent schedule by processing all incoming medical records requests within 24 to 48 hours of them being received. You assist as needed in overflow processing due to high volume. So if you finish your workload, you may have to help out with someone else's. You'll provide feedback regarding the request volume and issues. You'll monitor the incoming requests through various means. Now, if that sounds like something you want to do, they are looking for a candidate that is a fast learner, dependable, a quick worker, a team player, a positive attitude, and someone who will strive to do more. Someone who is willing to go above and beyond. That is it. They do not require any kind of college degree. They do not require any kind of experience. This is entry level, zero experience. Now, this is paying $14 to $16 an hour. So the pay is lower due to no experience required. But this is one of those jobs you can get into, get the experience, and then you have something to put on your resume that qualifies you for the higher paying $25, $30 an hour jobs. They do offer benefits on top of the pay, including health insurance, 401k, and paid time off. Now, please note they have their link to their regular website and their LinkedIn page below, so you can go to their website and see they are hiring for multiple different positions. They have customer service positions and stuff open too, if this job lead was not for you. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding to those, I am reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.